Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off the Huawei Band 10. Now you have two options to turn on and off your Huawei Band 10. For the first option, just press the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and open the app drawer. Then go to settings. From here, just tap on the settings icon. Now to turn off your Huawei Band 10, just press the power icon over here to power off your Huawei Band 10. Now for the second method, just press and hold the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10. Now as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Now just select power off to power off your Huawei Band 10. Now to turn your Huawei Band 10 back on, just press and hold the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and it will turn on your Huawei Band 10. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on and off your Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.